Want to build a Shopify store that actually sells? In this video, I'm revealing the 8 essential steps you must follow to create a high-converting Shopify store that stands out in 2025. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. First things first, pick a niche that solves a real problem or fulfills a strong desire. Whether it's eco-friendly products, pet accessories, or fitness gear, make sure there's demand and room for you to compete. Step 2. Research your competitors. Check out your top 5 competitors. What are they doing right? What can you do better? Use tools like SimilarWeb or Koala Inspector to spy on their traffic sources and bestsellers. Step 3. Create a clean, modern design. A cluttered website kills conversions. Use clean Shopify themes like Dawn or Impulse. Keep your colors, fonts, and layout simple and on-brand. Step 4. Optimize your product pages. Add high-quality images, a compelling product title, benefits-focused descriptions, reviews, and trust badges. Don't forget to show social proof. Step 5. Set up payment, shipping, and policies. Enable multiple payment options like PayPal, Stripe, or ShopPay. Clearly outline shipping details and return policies so your customers feel secure. Step 6. Install the right apps. Install essential apps like Klaviyo for email, Lux or JudgeMemi for reviews, Reconvert for upsells. Don't overdo it. Too many apps slow down your site. Step 7. Build trust with about and contact pages. Tell your brand story, add real photos if possible, and include easy ways to get in touch. A faceless store is a forgettable store. Step 8. Launch with marketing in mind. Before launching, set up social pages, build an email list, and plan an ad strategy. Use TikTok, Instagram Reels, or influencer shoutouts to drive traffic fast. And there you have it, 8 powerful steps to build a successful Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below with your store idea. Want a full Shopify store setup guide? Let me know.